Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report. First, the global cues. And last week, the Fed came out with some announcement regarding the future interest rate hike. The markets fell all over the world. Then after a few days corrected. So now the markets all over the world are just consolidating. They are not going up so much or they are not coming down also so much. Little bit up and down. But with the volatility, of course. And the markets all over the world are waiting for some kind of further trigger to move higher or lower. So one of the things we can look at it is the Accenture results, which is on Friday. So that will show how the technology stocks are doing in US. And again, expectation is really very good because last quarter Accenture came out with very good result. And that is how even the Infosys TCS also shot up in last 3 months. And that could be one of the possible reasons why Nasdaq is trading at all-time high. Even yesterday also it is all-time high. Coming to the local cues. And today the most important is Reliance AGM. And Reliance AGM starts at 2 p.m. And in US markets, there is a very famous saying, don't fight the Fed. Don't fight the Fed. And people say, Fed is printing a lot of money, this inflation will go up, market will crash, okay? But they will print even more money until all the short sellers go bankrupt. So that's why that saying is there, don't fight Fed. And in fact, earlier, Mr. Raghuram Rajan was the RBI governor, and he also did once. When everybody was expecting Raghuram Rajan to cut the interest rate, and they took the position accordingly in the stock market, and then he did not cut the rate. And after 3 days, before the market opened, he cut the interest rate. So when the people questioned him, he said, don't fight RBI. And many of you may remember in that meeting only he said, I am Rajan, Raghuram Rajan. Now he has become the economic advisor to Tamil Nadu government. These people like Fed, RBI, sometimes people like Mukesh Ambani, they don't like the traders, who are aggressively betting, speculating against them. Sometimes they may do something. You may remember my Buffalo story, just to shake off all those speculators. And I really do not know why Mukesh Ambani, being the chairman of #1 company in India and having more than 10% weightage in Nifty, choose to do the AGM on expiry day, that too around 2 p.m. So definitely the market is going to be volatile from 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. And historically, the last 5 AGMs and Reliance share has moved more than 2%, either upside or downside. So which means that now it is trading around 2,200. So which means that 2% plus move should be about 50 rupees on either side. That has the potential to move the Nifty also 50 to 100 point on either side. So now you know which buffalo want to shake off which speculators. And I'm surely think that Mukesh Ambani will do something. And the speculation is going on that Saudi Aramco chairman will be inducted as a director in Reliance, and Mukesh Ambani will be announcing 5G plans. So definitely there is something cooking up in Reliance. So other than that, yesterday FIIs have bought for 3,500 crore, but many people said that it's because of United Breweries deal, but whatever it is, still it's a purchase. And most of the time we talk about FII, DII and we talk about the market, but actually there is a mismatch. When we say market, we mean Nifty 50, but the FII and DII, whether they are buying and selling, not necessarily that they must be buying or selling only these 50 stocks. And there is life beyond this Nifty 50. So, there are so many good stocks are also there. So, therefore, there is just only a guideline. That's not, there is no one-to-one correspondence. There is a possibility that the buying and selling may happen completely outside the Nifty 50 also. And yesterday, Hero MotoCorp, I said there is a positive news, but what happened? It went up, then came down. So, that is why we try not to play in futures, we try to play through options. So, my famous quote, future has no future and options have plenty of options. Otherwise, yesterday the auto index was the only gainer with Maruti being a top performer. And another thing, State Bank of India, about 1 month before, I have given a strategy in pre-market report, and people who have done that, I said the capital deployment around 1.1 lakh, maximum profit is about 45,000, maximum loss is about 55,000, something like that. But today 3:30 only market will expire, but the people who have done this strategy, they are sitting very close to the maximum profit. If anybody has deployed about 1 lakh, they are sitting with about 40,000 profit, which is a 40% profit. And then for today, it has become a habit. People ask me, sir, you give some recommendation. I will be looking to sell Reliance Industries 2100 put option for July series. The reason, and today there will be a lot of volatility in Reliance shares, and then the premiums are expected to be higher. In fact, the premiums are really very high because of this event. Foreign institutional investors in the futures and options segment, in fact, they've increased their long position to 73% versus 70% yesterday. So, therefore, there is no reason for us to be bearish, but I'm expecting Nifty to trade between 15,700 and 800 until 2 p.m. But after 2 p.m., you have to ask Mukesh Ambani only. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.